I wanted to give a quick walkthrough of the Dyson cordless that we just picked up. Pretty nice replacement from what we just had. I wanted to show off some of the features. Charging is really easy, and there's a pretty nice display on state of charge there. Works best as a wall mount, in my opinion. There's a little background about the level of charge indicator and how to take off the suction to allow for cleaning. Doesn't really take 5 hours usually, from what I've seen. Those are all the attachments. That's the roller cleaner head. There's some other tools there. It's a little combination tool. Brush. That's a larger version of crevice tool. There's a crevice tool right there, and there is your I'd say it's like a dusting brush, basically. Here's how it works when it's all set up. Works really well on hardwood, in my opinion. And it doesn't scratch the floors either. There's the filter top. There's the actual one that you can attach on there, so you can make it more portable if you want, with kind of a smaller attachment on the end. And here's how it pops off, as you saw in the diagram. So really easy to empty out. And the capacity isn't super large, so it is nice that it's pretty easy to empty out. Here's a little bit of background on the vacuum. It is cord free, which is really nice, especially with kids. And there's kind of the mini shorter unit that I was talking about, where you put the shorter attachments on there. And here's how the vacuum actually works. There's the filter at the end too. So yeah, pretty compact. The batteries at the bottom there is pretty nice because it gives kind of good, relatively light weight to the unit, but still kind of, you want a little bit of weight when you're sliding it back and forth. Here's a little bit more background on the brush bar and some of the things that you can do with the Dyson. So yeah, I'm really happy with it.